Hi everyone, and welcome to our channel Victor Explains. In today's video is about how to fix Extend Volume option grayed out in Windows 10, 11, 8 and 7. If you found this video helpful, please like to encourage us and subscribe to our channel. Leave comment and share it with others so they can benefit too.